Let's take a look at this beauty. Wow, 1967 Pontiac Firebird Convertible, and this is a nice one. This particular vehicle is a Y paint code, so it'd be Mayfair Maze, which I believe was a special order to get that Y code paint in 1967 on a Firebird. So beautiful Mayfair Maze color, ivory top. Top is also in very nice shape. Interior code is 260, which would be a parchment custom vinyl strato bucket seat car. So still very original to the way that this car would have came from General Motors and Pontiac Motor Division back in 1967. Now underneath the hood, according to the previous owner, this car has a 350 in it, and it's actually a YR stamped block. It was dynoed at 365 horsepower. That is paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission. That is also a power steering car. Very nicely equipped car. I'll get into some of the codes. You can check out the still pictures, so you can see underneath the hood. You can check out the engine bay. You can see the data tag, all the stuff I'm going to talk about in a little bit. Go ahead and check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pictures. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Now, as you can see, the bright work chrome, also very nice in this car. The paint condition, beautiful. I haven't found much for imperfections on this one. This particular car has about 5,000 miles on it since it was restored. It was actually restored by Harrah's Museum in Reno, Nevada. They reset the odometer when this car was restored, and it's a little over 5,000 miles now. So we'll take a look at that when we get in the car, check out the interior and the dash and everything. Back to some of the options on this car. If you look at that data tag or look at it in the pics, you're going to see there is one, the first set of accessory codes are W, X, and D. What those are going to be is soft ray tinted glass, X is going to be power windows, and D would be the power convertible top. So power convertible top, power windows, and then there's a second set of accessory codes, which is W and G. The W in that second set would be for the automatic transmission, 2-speed, and then of course it has a console in it, and that's what the G is. So it originally came with a console, automatic shifter on the floor. So very nicely optioned car, and you can look up and down the side of this, see how beautiful and straight it is, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. You're looking for a nice 67 Firebird convertible, very similar to the day it would have came off the assembly line. Here you go. As you can see, a little aftermarket gauge cluster has been added for, I believe it is coolant temperature and oil pressure. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. May be eligible for an extended warranty also, which you could discuss with your sales associate on this one. Slip around to the back. You can also see chrome back here. Paint, again, condition this car all the way around. But again, not many miles on it since it was restored. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Our phone number, 507-386-1726. And again, down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out this beautiful Mayfair Maze 67 Firebird convertible. Check up and down the driver's side here. Very nice looking Pontiac Motor Division wheel cover. Tri-bar spinners on it. Look up and down how straight that is. You can see nice reflection, nice luster to the paint. Tires are good on this one. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. We're going to fire this up. We're going to take a look under the hood. Check this one over. All right, here's your power window switches. Parchment door cards, also in nice shape. Carpeting, seats. Very nice. I'm going to reach in and just start this up a second here. All right, there's the odometer. You can see it, 5612, I believe it says, yeah, 5612. And again, that's since the restoration. You hear that engine definitely sounds healthy, a little bit of cam to it. There is your oil pressure and temp gauge. I've had the wipers working, have not had the radio working, FYI. Other than that, you can see stock looking dash. Not cracked up top or anything like that. Let that 350 warm up a little bit. So nicely that door closes. Check out the underside pictures of this car too when you're looking through the pics. Very, very clean top to bottom. Great sounding car, nothing crazy on the exhaust, just a little rumble. I'm going to slip up front here. Let's go ahead and pause this a second. I'm going to pop that hood and let's check out the engine bay. All right, hood popped. Check out how nice and tidy this is. Tell it's been also gone through like the rest of the car. Again, power steering underneath there. 350 V8. This is a very responsive engine too. The minute you put your foot into the pedal, it's there. Hood liner in nice shape. Great looking engine bay. Makes somebody very proud as far as the next owner of this car. Take this to your local cruise-ins, car shows. This car will show very, very well. So there you have it, 1967 Pontiac Firebird Convertible, Mayfair Maze, original color, 350 underneath the hood, automatic transmission, power windows, power top, center console. Just very, very nice car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726 where you can reach us. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website down below this video. Click on the link, take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Talk to your sales associate. Look forward to hearing from you.